Hey everybody, it is Miss Penny again from Marengo-Union Library. Today we are here to make a Father's Day craft. I was gonna say, how many of you have signed up for the summer reading program? But I hounded you on the last video, so I'm gonna let you relax for this video. I'll probably hound you for the next one though. Okay, summer reading program, sign up for it, it's really great. Okay, all right, okay, Father's Day craft, all right. Some of you may have thought about Father's Day already, some of you may not have, but we've got a craft to make for him. Now, this is going to be a fun one because what you make is something that he can wear. Yes! You're making him socks. Yeah, I knew you'd be excited. I knew it. Okay. So basically, that's literally what you're making. You're going to make your dad socks. However you want to make them. They can be silly, they can be cool, they can be practical. They can be socks, however you want to make the socks for your dad. They can be matching or not matching because it doesn't matter, right? Well, I mean it matters because he's special, so we should make them special. Okay, so in your kit, you're going to find a pair of socks. You will each have you're each going to get one fabric marker. I know it's only one, but one is better than none, okay? If you have more at home, feel free to use them, by all means, okay? But even with one, you can make something outstanding. I know you can, because I know that each and every one of you is an artist, okay? So you're going to have a pair of socks. You're going to have a fabric marker. You're going to have the directions. I mean, it's easy, but that's okay. It's good to have directions, okay? Now, just to make it more fun, you're also going to have this lovely questionnaire to fill out. All right, make sure you fill it out beautiful and nice. And there's even going to be an awesome card, a Father's Day card, just for you to give to your dad. So you are going to take these socks. You're going to take your marker. You're going to draw whatever it is you want to draw for your dad. Something beautiful. You can draw it on the heel. You can draw it on the toe. You can draw it up here. You can draw it down here. You can draw it wherever you want, okay? But you're going to draw something amazingly beautiful for your dad on these socks. When you're finished drawing, you're going to make sure that you have this filled out in your very best handwriting. Yes, very best, okay? Very best handwriting. You're going to fold this. You're going to sign your name and put the date in here. You're going to put the paper in the envelope with the card and see if you can fit the socks in there too. They might fit, they might not, but it'd be kind of cool if they could. Oh, like it's a gift in one, okay? And you're going to give your dad that on Father's Day. He's going to love them. He can wear homemade socks from his very own. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys remember to say Happy Father's Day to your father. Also, clean up super easy this time. Super easy, okay? I mean, easy peasy, really. You have, looks like a piece of recycling and put away just a couple of things. You can do this. I know you can. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.